Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson of the Arabic language. This is lesson number 14. Actually this is a redo of the same lesson that I did and posted before, but the sound wasn't so good. So again, this lesson is about something called at-tanween. It's the final thing that we will learn about alamat at-tashkeel. So until now we have covered the following. We know what is fatha, dhamma, kasra, and we call these harakat. Also we have what we've learned before, which is the small circle, which is called a sukun, and we have a combination of these which we called al-shadda. Now, today's lesson is something called at-tanween. At-tanween. So, what is al-tanween? Basically, let's say, how does it look like? Well, we will have a letter, and a tanween looks like that. It's either double fatha or double dhamma or double kasra. So this is how a tanween looks like. Now let's see how is it pronounced, and I'll do that by giving an example. So first of all, let's take an example. So let's write the word for pen, and the reason why I'm writing over and over and over is to refresh your memory and to make you see how Arabic is written. So anyway, so let's write qalam. This is the word for pen, qalam. Okay, I'll write it again in a different way maybe, and again. Okay, now a normal way we would pronounce this qalam, qalam. Now with tanween, let's say we want to put this kind of tanween. This word is pronounced qalamun. So it's qa la, and it's pronounced as if there is a noon at the end. So it's pronounced as if it's qa la and mun. So notice what happens. You see, it's because double dhamma. The first one comes on top of the original letter. The other one would create a noon, and this noon always have a sukun on it. So this is pronounced qalamun. So we can also say qa la man. And whenever we put double fatha, we have to add an alif. But there's also always a special case which I might cover later. So qalamun, qalaman, and we have the last one, which comes when we put double kasra under it, and the pronunciation for this one would be qalamin. So this is qalamin, this is qalamun, and this one would be qalaman. Oops. It would be as if we were writing it like this. Qalaman. Now, let's take another example. So the other word that I'll explain is khubz. Khubz means bread. So khubz. So with the first one, we'll say khubzan, khubzun, khub. Oops, I ran out of space. Anyway, khubzan, khubzun, khubzin. So let's write the way khubzan, khubzun. Sorry, khubzan, khubzun, khubzin. So again, khubzan, khubzun, khubzin, and it's pronounced as if we're writing something like this. Khubzun, khub. Ta 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 ta. Okay. Khubzan, khubzun, and khubzin. Okay, so I hope this is clear. All again, let's just sum what we did today. So we have at-tanween, and again what it does is the following. We would have a letter, and we'll have an example double fatha on it. So this is equivalent to having the same letter, I mean in pronunciation, with fatha because it's double fatha, plus noon that have sukoon. Okay, so basically that's it. So let's take one last example, and I will let you guess how it's pronounced before we write anything. So let's say a board. A board is lawh. Lawh. This is normally how we write a board. So what's the three variation of that with at-tanween? So I'll let you guess. So the first one would be law ha something. The second one will be law, and the third one would be law. Okay, so I hope you know how it's pronounced by now. So this would be law han, law hun, law hen. So lawhan, lawhun, lawhen, this means a board. I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and see you next time.